Hello everyone, Mr. Cunningham here. Super quick video about works cited or bibliographies in MLA format. So MLA format stands for Modern Languages Association, and that is the set of rules that you need to follow when you're writing an English essay, essentially. It's the set of rules that says you need to have your bracket, author, space, page number, close bracket, period. That's MLA says you need to use those in your essay. So part of the reason that you use the author's name in your citations in your essay, unless you've used it in the sentence, is that your works cited or bibliography, whatever you want to call it, is organized in that way. So you need to center a title. It can be works cited. It could be bibliography. It doesn't really matter. You are only going to have one entry in your works cited because I haven't read anybody else. I haven't read any essays that have cited more than one source. Okay, so you're going to have a blank sheet. It's got to be a sheet on its own, a page on its own at the end of your essay. So the last page of your essay essentially is your bibliography or works cited. Okay, now the internet age, the age in which we live, has made it extremely easy for you to do this. It's not all that difficult anyway, but it has made it even easier. So there are a number of websites like this one here. This is called Citation Machine, and all you need to do is look up your book. You'll notice I've searched for Code of Honor here by Alan Gratz. It gives a couple. Here. So I did that. I'll do it for another one in a second here. But we'll select the first one, Code of Honor by Alan Gratz. Looks like it's correct. So we go to this page. It says here's what we found. Got the title, publisher, year. Perfect. So we go to the final step, and right here, here's what they have. We're citing the whole book. Alan Gratz is the author. The source title is here. I would just switch this so it's a capital H. We don't have any advanced information. We don't want to add an annotation. This publisher here is fine. It's really not. If you're actually using, your paper copy of the book, the publisher would be slightly different, but it's okay. It does not particularly matter in this case. And we click Create Citation, and this here is what it comes up with. Excuse me. So this is another one that I did, and that's fine. Either one of these would be fine for Code of Honor. So you notice that it is author's last name, comma, first name, period. Book title, italicized, just like in your essays, period. Publisher, comma, year of publication, period. Done. Okay, this gets slightly more complicated when you're working with newspaper articles or websites or anything like that, but just for a straight up book, it's fairly straightforward. Okay, so let's try another one here. So we'll search for the graveyard, yard book, and then I put the author's name in there as well, just to kind of make it easier. Okay, not sure Chris Riddell, Margaret Atwood, children's books. I don't know who these other people are, but let's just select the first one there. Okay, final step. Okay, we'll just remove these other authors since they are not listed on the cover of the one we have, and I will replace. I don't know why there are not capital letters for that. Anyway, the graveyard book, Harper, and imprint of HarperCollins. Sure, if that's what it wants. Ugh.
Citation Machine Plus lets you scan for accidental plagiarism. Check your grammar.
Thought I could get out of it.
Automatically generate citations in the style you need.
There we go. Okay, so there we have it. Author, title, publisher, year, period. Okay, that's all you need to do. So you need to copy, copy this one. Go back over to our word processing, left justify, and paste it. And there you go. You're done. So if you haven't submitted your essay yet, can you please include one of these on the end of your essay? If you have, can you just send me one of these? Don't resend me your whole essay. Just send me, or even just type this into the DMs and Slack. It's very important. These things are very important moving forward with essay writing, because it's considered plagiarism if you don't say where you got your quotations. So, there's some leeway there while you're learning, but it's important that you get used to the idea of having a bibliography on all your essays. Okay, that's all for today, and tune in later this week. I'll keep the daily messages going, but later this week we will move on to something else. So hope everyone's well, and I'll talk to you later.